Hi, today through this video we will learn the usage of prepositions. So what is it? Preposition is like a bridge which comes before noun or pronouns and connects rest of the sentence. Yeah, let's go and see some examples. The spoon is in the cup, so here the bridge or a connecting word or a preposition is the word in. Cat is on the table, so here the bridging word or a connecting word or a preposition is on. Cat is under the table, so here the connecting word or a preposition is under. Cat is in front of mirror, so here the connecting word or a preposition is in front of. Cat is behind the box, so here the preposition is behind. Cat is near the table, so here the preposition is near. Cat is between the boxes, so here the preposition is between. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you had amazing time.
Okay guys, like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.